Man, everyone over here is freaking out, man. But let me tell you something. I'm actually licking my chops. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about some potential buys that we can look into to kind of hedge against this market, or things that like to go up when the market goes down. On top of that, I'm also looking at phenomenal buying opportunities here, okay? And we'll talk more about that in this video. Before I get started, guys, I only ask for two simple things, baby. Smash that like, baby. Just hit the damn like button, and also hit that subscribe button. Turn on all notification bells, as I do multiple uploads every week and live streams as well. Now, me personally, I like to trade stocks and I like to invest as well. Let's talk about the market, okay? So everybody's been freaking out lately. I get it. The market's not looking the best. This is looking like probably one of the worst crashes we will see possibly ever. If not, it's going to not be soft. It's going to be rocky, right? Hard landing is what you'll refer to. You're seeing it everywhere, right? We come to CNBC.com, all the headlines are constantly freaking out. You go on YouTube.com, you look up market crash, or you type in anything with stocks. All these YouTubers doing these stupid, oh my gosh, these facial impressions and all that stupid shit. Yeah, the market's crashing, but I think people are exaggerating here. Guys, think about the bigger money here, okay? Recessions don't come very often. You might see a few in your entire lifetime. There's a lot of millionaires that come out of recessions. It is a great buying opportunity. You need to think outside the box. If you think like the 99%, you're going to react like the 99%. The 1% right now is thinking, damn, there's a lot of cheap looking stocks right now. And that's part of what we're going to talk about. Now, me as a trader, I've been fine in this market, okay? This has been a trader's market lately. As an investor, yeah, I'm getting hammered on some of my very long-term investments in a very short-term amount of time, right? Since the beginning of this year, the market's been pulling back ever since. This is the S&P 500. SPY is the ETF for that, and I like to defer to it. And yeah, my investments are down, that's fine, but I'm thinking of long-term horizon. What's 1 year, if not, maybe we're talking now, 2.5 years of a little bit of a downturn when I'm holding it for a few decades or 5 years or whatever. It's not a big deal, in my opinion. Now, none of this is financial advice, but let me show you guys things here, right? Let me show you the little secret sauce or things that get me excited, what this video is all about. Let me show you something here. Here's what no one else is talking about. If they are, they need to talk about it a little bit more. Look at stocks like Apple right now. Look at stocks like Apple, right? Guys, we're down 19% from the highs right now. Now, Apple's not the best one, right? But let's take a look at some other ones, right? Microsoft. Okay, excuse on my charting. Guys, look at Microsoft right now. Down 32% from the highs, the all-time highs. Now, things are looking cheap, okay? That just means I'm keeping them on my radar. Now, I think they're going to get cheaper. I think there is definitely a bad crash coming. Geopolitical factors, inflation's everywhere. All these countries are everywhere. Currencies are getting extremely devalued. Energy's everywhere. War in Ukraine. It's pretty crazy. COVID kind of kickstarted all this, and now we're starting to see all that fallout come all together here. So the world's in turmoil. We could have a little recession or Great Depression 2.0. It doesn't matter. Prepare yourself for that. Okay, it's coming regardless if and when. Another thing I want you to pay attention to this week, if you happen to catch this video during this time, is Thursday, September 29th. We have GDP coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay, pre-market. If you're a trader, pay attention to that. It'll be interesting of a story. Now, the S&P 500 right now is currently trading around its yearly lows. We call them the June lows. This is the low of the entire year. Now, as you can imagine, if we break this level, there's definitely going to be some downward turning. Now, the biggest thing, again, going back to the point of this video, is as we're watching the market sell off here, right? Because a lot of people are thinking that. Let's see where it can land possibly. So we need to find these landing spots where the market could theoretically land, okay? Fundamentally land as well. And then we also need to keep these bigger companies on our radar the whole time. Another secret I want to share with you, not much of a secret, is what I'm personally watching heavily is two things, right? Three things, really. The first one here is going to be gold. Gold is interesting here. Now, if you're a trader, ride this with me here. Check out how crazy this looks. Are you buying this? Gold is sitting in a potentially ginormous cup and handle pattern since the end of the last recession. This is an extremely bullish pattern. It makes sense. If the market's looking bearish, I would expect gold to start looking bullish over a long time horizon. I'm very bullish on gold. I plan on buying gold in the very near future. It's looking extremely discounted. I'm going to keep my eyes on it as things start to look more and more bleak. So gold, right? Looking into these precious metals, gold, silver, serve as a nice hedge in case there is a market crash. Another thing I want you to pay attention to is crude oil. okay? The energy sector. Now, there's energy sector ETFs you can look at if you don't want to try to find specific oil companies or whatever energy companies to invest in. Keep your eyes on energy here. I don't think energy is going to go away. It's extremely oversold right now relative to the current price, okay? And it's discounted. I like the way oil looks, okay? And then one more thing. This is a little more speculative, but ride this with me here. Bitcoin. You're starting to see global currencies really deteriorate here. We're transitioning into a more digitalized market. I have no bias towards Bitcoin. I understand how Bitcoin works. I understand fundamentally how this works. I understand that it's in its infancy and it may struggle and it may have some more hurdles on the way. But if you're thinking from a long time horizon, not even as a utility, but being that this is kind of the staple for the cryptocurrency market, that's where it's a little more speculative. You might keep your eyes on Bitcoin. You might start to see this kind of give us more of an inverse effect here. It's been riding the S&P a little bit more lately and the NASDAQ. Maybe it starts to flip the switch here. More speculative. But however, gold, I think, and energy are good ones to watch. Going back to the bigger picture, guys, look at this, man. Meta. Check this out, guys. Meta down 65% from all-time highs. Amazon down nearly 40% from all-time highs. Guys, the stocks are looking cheap, baby. These bigger, more secure blue chip mega cap companies, your FANGs, these are going to hold up. No and ifs or buts. Okay, very likely they will hold up. Doesn't mean they're going to hold up through the crash. It means I'm going to watch the market, see how far down it comes, right? Obviously, you can't time the bottom. Watch the market, see it come down, because these are already discounted extremely. They're not going to go down 100% from the highs. It's possible. I shouldn't say that, but it's possible. But I'm going to watch the market, wait till the market kind of softens a little bit, starts to curl back up, and then slowly position into a lot of these bigger companies, including some of the little extracurriculars here, such as gold, the energy sector, and possibly Bitcoin. Gang! If you found this video useful, or if you'd like to get more into trading and investing yourselves, be sure to follow along on the channel here, guys. I like to share my personal insights on the realms of the stock market. I absolutely love it. And if you guys are interested in a little bit more in depth when it comes to trading, right, check out that link above here, or check out the link down in the description. Go to stockpicks.com. That is my personal private Discord, guys. We live stream every day. We have experts in there. We're making bank every day, mostly from trading, but I just want to share this video with you guys. At the very least, hit that like and hit the subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell, guys. Again, I'll be uploading every week to make sure you're covered. If you have any questions or any opinions on this, comment down below, guys. I'm open to everything, okay? This is just my opinion. I'm just a YouTuber, not financial advice. And yeah, just feel free to comment down below, guys. I'd love to hear you guys' take on the markets ahead. Well, again, being that I'm a trader, I'm going to keep trading, baby. I'm going to be riding some options, some puts, right? Probably some calls as well. I'm going to play this day by day, but in the long term, I'm definitely liking some of the investment opportunities. Let's get after it, baby. Don't give up. Ride with it. Now let's get back to the money. I'll see you guys in the next video.